Hello, welcome back to Anne's Amazing Adventures. Well, I had shown you last week, I had shown you a piece of material that I picked up to make a ribbon skirt. So I have the pictures up here. I'll put them up here so that you can see how the skirt turned out. The history behind a ribbon skirt is it's to honor our mothers and grandmothers, great grandmothers, like all of the ladies from the past and future, of course. It's because they always wore skirts. No matter where they went, they had a skirt on. And if you watch any of the documentary series or anything like that on television, you'll see that the women wore leather, like dresses and with fringes and everything. And then when they couldn't get hides, when there was no animals to get the hides from, then they would use gunny sacks and wear those. So it's an honor to have a ribbon skirt and to make one. It's quite an honor to do that. So I did mine. I had shown you that piece of material and some of the ribbons. So I did go in yesterday, which was Monday, and help at the Friendship Center in Rocky Mountain House um, for Truth and Reconciliation Day. And I went with a couple of ladies that I know quite well, Bernice and Lori. I'll put their names on. I won't give the last name. But they're from the Sunchild First Nation Reserve out by west of Rocky Mountain House. And I've known Bernice most of her life, I would say, most of my life anyway. But yeah, she's been in and out of my life quite a few times. So, but anyways, we went in and we made. Lori did was on Bannock detail, and Bernice was making the traditional soups. So I got to learn how to do that, and I was very. I enjoyed it so very much, and learning to how to do that and how they make those soups and everything was special for me to watch and learn how to do it. So, and Bernice explains things, and then the food has to be blessed. So they smudge it. We all had a prayer before we started working on the food. We all went in and had a prayer. We smudged and then we had a prayer. So I did wear my ribbon skirt, but Lori and Bernice didn't have theirs on because they were going out to their reserve was having a powwow yesterday. But I just came home. I was a bit worried about Henry because he knows how to unlock the doors now. So I worry about him getting away on me. But, anyways, for going in and helping yesterday, I received this beautiful hoodie, and it's got Every Child Matters on it, and it's got a mother and a child there. And I chose the one with the mother and child mainly because of the missing um, and murdered Indigenous women. And so many women and children are missing now, like in the last little while. Well, it's been going on forever, but yeah. So that's why I chose that one. There was another one that had the tree of life and everything on it. And also received this blanket that just fell down off my chair. It's a beautiful um, Navajo print. I think it's Navajo. We'll say it's Navajo, but it's just gorgeous and it fits on this chair very nice, so I don't have to sit on the cold leather. So it's perfect for in here. So I just wanted to show you the skirt and everything that I did, and I enjoyed myself immensely yesterday in the kitchen with those ladies. We had a lot of good laughs and we learned lots. So I was honored to be able to go in and help do that. So yeah, so there you go. There was my truth and reconciliation. I made the skirt. I have to make another one because I have a thing on the 18th of October to go to in Sylvan Lake, Alberta. So I have to get some cotton material to do it because that material I had, it was like, I don't know, you would call it a rayon or a polyester, mostly polyester, I imagine. But I would cut it and it would just fray like crazy, like it's just unreal. And then uh, well, I'll just go grab the skirt and then I'll show you. Okay, so here we go. I can show you this is the skirt. It's all done, just with an elastic waistband, and then all the ribbons are sewn on. But I'll tell you, this material is really slippery, so trying to sew ribbons on them and our ribbons are supposed to match identically at the seams, like that, so that there's no, like they're supposed to match exactly all the way around the skirt. So, but this material was so slippery, and every time I went to put a ribbon on, the material would slide off. So this is what I mean about fraying. Like this stuff kept coming off. So I did zigzag around the whole piece of material, but that didn't help it. It still was slipping and sliding away. But I did get it done, and I got a lot of compliments on it. And then we were in the 7-Eleven yesterday. Bernice wanted to buy me a coffee. We had coffee at the Friendship Center, but then she gave me some cash for my gas, which I refused, but she made me take it. So instead of dishonoring her, I did take the money, and I bought myself lunch and put gas in my car. So there you go. It did work out. But yes, the next skirt I would like to have either cotton or something like that that doesn't slide and slip and slide all over. So I have my appointment in Red Deer this week, so I'll be going in to get do that as well. Look in the secondhand stores and see if I can find some material. All right, well, that's about everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed my little history lesson. I'm just learning too, so there you go. We're learning together about the traditions of the Cree Nation, or the Cree. I'm a Cree. So, yeah, that's a lot of Cree up here in Canada, whereas you only have, I think in Montana, there's some Cree reserve there. But yeah. All right. So I hope everyone has a blessed day. God be with you, and ciao for now.